Here are key terminologies that will help you understand and communicate effectively in the catfish farming business. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced farmer, mastering these terms can improve farm management and profitability. Here are some essential terms every catfish farmer should know. 1. Fingerlings. Definition: young catfish that are about 4 to 6 weeks old and approximately 3 to 4 inches, 7 to 10 centimeters, long. Importance: they are the ideal size for stocking in ponds or tanks for further growth. 2. Juveniles. Definition: catfish that are 6 to 8 weeks old, larger than fingerlings, about 5 to 7 inches long, and more resistant to stress. Importance: farmers often prefer juveniles for stocking as they have higher survival rates. 3. Grow-out stage. Definition: the period when catfish are raised from juvenile size to market size, 0.8 to 1.5 kilograms. Importance: this is the main production stage, where proper feeding and water management determine profitability. 4. Broodstock. Definition: mature catfish, usually 1 to 2 years old or more, used for breeding purposes. Importance: high-quality broodstock ensures better offspring growth and survival rates. 5. Hatchery. Definition: a controlled environment where catfish eggs are artificially incubated and hatched into fry. Importance: hatcheries ensure consistent production of fingerlings for farmers. 6. Fry. Definition: newly hatched catfish larvae that are 2 to 3 days old and still depend on their yolk sacs for nutrients. Importance: they require special care before they can develop into fingerlings. 7. Grading. Definition: the process of sorting fish by size to prevent cannibalism and ensure uniform growth. Importance: reduces competition for food and improves growth rates. 8. Stocking density. Definition: the number of fish stocked per unit area, e.g., per square meter of pond or per cubic meter of tank. Importance: maintaining optimal stocking density prevents overcrowding, poor growth, and disease outbreaks. 9. Feeding conversion ratio, FCR. Definition: the amount of feed required to produce 1 kilogram of fish weight. Example: FCR of 1.5 means 1.5 kilograms of feed is needed to grow 1 kilogram of fish. Importance: a lower FCR means better feed efficiency and higher profits. 10. Artificial spawning. Definition: a process where farmers induce egg-laying and fertilization under controlled conditions using hormones. Importance: ensures high-quality and large-scale fingerling production. 11. Water quality management. Definition: the practice of maintaining optimal water conditions, pH, dissolved oxygen, ammonia levels, etc. Importance: poor water quality leads to slow growth, disease outbreaks, and high mortality rates. 12. Ammonia toxicity. Definition: a condition where ammonia levels in the water become too high, harming the fish. Importance: controlled by regular water changes and proper aeration. 13. Aeration. Definition: the process of increasing oxygen levels in the water using aerators or water circulation. Importance: prevents oxygen depletion, which can cause fish stress and death. 14. Cannibalism. Definition: when larger catfish attack and eat smaller ones due to size differences. Importance: prevented by grading and providing adequate feed. 15. Biofloc technology. Definition: a water treatment system that promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria to improve water quality and provide extra nutrition. Importance: reduces water usage, lowers feed costs, and increases fish growth rates. 16. Live weight versus dressed weight. Live weight, the weight of the fish before processing. Dressed weight, the weight after removing the head, guts, and fins. Importance: helps in determining the final yield from harvested fish. 17. Harvesting techniques. Definition: the method used to collect market-ready fish from ponds or tanks. Common methods include seining, using nets, and draining ponds. Importance: ensures minimal stress and damage to the fish. 18. Market size. Definition: the ideal size at which catfish are ready for sale, usually 0.8 kilograms, 1.5 kilograms per fish. Importance: determines the best selling price and market demand. 19. Processing and value addition. Definition: converting raw fish into smoked, filleted, or frozen products for better market value. Importance: increases profitability and market reach. 20. Mortality rate. Definition: the percentage of fish that die during production. Importance: a lower mortality rate means better farm profitability. If you found this video helpful, do well to give this a like, comment, share, and subscribe to channel for more aquaculture tips. See you in my next video.